Last summer, this was my garden. Every morning, I would wake up, make my cup of tea, and just stand here. Alhamdulillah, it was so beautiful, so alive. And then the Canadian winter came. One morning, I looked outside, and this was that same place. Everything was buried under the snow. No color, no shape, just white. The garden that was so full of life had turned into just a snow block. Those of you living in Canada, you know this feeling. And for those of you watching from somewhere warmer, trust me, the winter here really does bury everything completely. But I knew somewhere underneath something was still alive, just waiting. Have you ever felt that way? Like something inside you is just dormant, not gone, not finished, just quietly waiting for the right moment. Come with me, I want to show you that moment. So, this is my garden right now. Alhamdulillah, the life is coming back. These early signs of spring, they give me so much every single year. Not just about the garden, about life too. This garden has taught me something no book ever could. Winters do come, everything stops, everything gets buried. But underneath the surface, something is always still growing, always. Inshallah, that's how life is too. And that's how I try to be. I think that's how you are too. Walking in my garden, I discovered the decoration from last summer, and it makes me feel so nostalgic. And look at this beautiful apple tree bloom. I'll share the video with you once it's all bloomed, and you will see how lovely it looks. Makes me happy. It will make you happy too. And of course, dandelions all over the lawn. I don't know, some people think they are like weeds, but I see them as signs of life, signs of spring. And I have my childhood memories attached to these beautiful dandelions. And on an interesting note, these are very beneficial as well. You can make tea out of them, and there's a lot of medicinal effects too. And they're used in preparing medicines as well. Most of the planters, the planting beds are still dead, but you can see the early spring flowers bloom. It makes you feel so happy looking at them and hopeful as well that this summer the garden will be full of beautiful flowers and life once again. This is how life is. Nothing lasts long. There's a limited time for every season. Same like happiness and sadness. This is a hummingbird feeder and it has a camera in it. So you can actually record and film hummingbirds feeding on it. The butterflies are back too. This year, I'm starting my very first vegetable garden from scratch. From seedlings all the way through the summer. I'm going to document everything with you. If you want to be a part of this journey, please subscribe and stick together. New videos are coming, and these are the things I want to share. Real life, real lessons, real seasons. Thank you for being here. It really does mean a lot.